the man who built a company powering ChatGPT, Google's AI, and every major breakthrough you've heard about, last year told the world to forget traditional coding forever. But what he's suggesting instead could make you more valuable than any programmer alive today. What's up, conscious creators? I'm Eric Baykes. And if you are a software engineer or a developer feeling like the ground is shifting beneath your feet with all this AI talk, today's video is exactly what you need. Jensen Huang, NVIDIA CEO, the man whose chip literally powers every AI model you interact with, made statements at the World Government Summit in Dubai back in February 2024 that sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley. And here's why it's more relevant today than ever. Everything he predicted is now happening at breakneck speed. Today, we are diving deep into what Jensen really means, why he's targeting biology as the next frontier, and most importantly, how you can leverage this insight to build the meaningful, purpose-driven tech business you've always dreamed of. If you've ever felt like you are meant for more than just writing code, stick around. This could be the perspective shift that changes everything. Picture this. February 2024, Dubai. You are sitting in an audience filled with world leaders and tech visionaries at the World Government Summit. Jensen Huang steps up to the microphone and delivers his bombshell. We should create computing technology such that nobody has to program. Programming language is human. But here is what makes this even more powerful. That was a year ago, and everything Jensen predicted is now accelerating at an unprecedented pace. What seemed like a distant vision in February 2024 is becoming reality in 2025. The room goes quiet. Developers everywhere start questioning their career choices. Tech blogs write dramatic headlines about the death of programming. But here's what most people missed in the chaos that followed. Jensen wasn't trying to destroy anyone's career. He was pointing towards something much bigger. Think about Jensen's unique position for a moment. NVIDIA doesn't just make graphics cards anymore. NVIDIA groundbreaking graphics processing units, software and systems help fuel advancement across a variety of industries from gaming to robotics. And the company's accelerated computing and AI platforms power 76% of top 500 list of the world's fastest supercomputers. When OpenAI trains ChatGPT, they are using NVIDIA's chips. When Google develops its AI modules, it's the same story. Jensen sits at the center of this revolution, watching how AI actually gets built from the inside. The fear was understandable. If you spent years mastering React, learning machine learning algorithms, or building expertise in cloud architecture, Jensen's word probably felt like a personal attack on your career choices. But here is where the fear missed the mark completely. Traditional programmers weren't going to disappear. They were going to multiply. When you remove the technical barriers that prevent people from building software, you don't eliminate the need for logical thinking and problem solving. You expand it to include millions of people who previously couldn't participate. Quick question. As a developer, what was your first reaction when you heard about Jensen's statement? Drop a comment below and let me know if you felt threatened or excited by this vision of the future. Vision centers on what he calls human programming, a fundamental shift in how we react with technology. Instead of writing dozens of lines of code to build a customer service chatbot, you simply tell the AI what you want to do. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now, and it's creating unprecedented opportunities for people who were previously completely locked out of the tech industry. Here is the thing. I've seen this transformation firsthand. In my journey from DevOps engineer to a life coach and conscious business mentor, I've watched brilliant developers struggle with the same limiting belief. I am just a coder. I don't understand business. But that's exactly the mindset Jensen is trying to shatter. One is on a quest to render technology so user-friendly that programming becomes an innate skill for everyone, achievable through the simplicity of our native languages. He envisions a future. The magic of artificial intelligence makes everyone a programmer without the need for specialized training in syntax and frameworks. What makes this possible isn't magic. It's sophisticated systems that understand context, interpret your intentions, and convert your natural language into executable actions. This invisible infrastructure represents some of the most advanced technology ever created. Major companies are already aware where this is heading. Microsoft built GitHub Copilot to let developers write code by describing what they want in the comments. According to recent data, 90 million global users are adopting Copilot weekly. proving that these tools have moved beyond experimental features to become core products that are transforming how we work in 2025 and beyond. Here is where people get confused. They think making technology more accessible means making it less powerful. The opposite is true. When you remove the technical barriers, you actually enable more sophisticated solutions. A restaurant owner who understands customer psychology can now build better systems than a programmer who has never worked in hospitality. A health worker who knows a patient's needs can create more effective medical apps than someone who only knows code. This connects directly to what I teach in my coaching practice. Your domain expertise, your deep understanding of real-world problems becomes your competitive advantage. The technology handles the implementations while you focus on what matters, solving meaningful problems for people you care about. But Jensen's revolutionary thinking doesn't stop at reimagining programming. He's targeting an even more transformative field, biology. Jensen suggests that children should focus on studying biology and understanding life sciences rather than traditional programming. He emphasizes the importance of prompt engineering in AI and the closing technology divide, arguing that everyone can now engage with AI. As he puts it directly, if I were starting all over again, I would study life sciences biology as engineering. This might sound surprising coming from the man who built the AI revolution. Jensen sees something most people are missing. He believes biology is about to transform from a field of discovery into a field of engineering, just like computer science did decades ago. We are entering into a golden age of engineering biology, where digital biology is evolving into an engineering discipline, shifting away from pure research toward practical applications that address real-world problems. Jensen's timing makes perfect sense when you look at what is happening behind the scenes. AI is already accelerating drug discovery in ways that seemed impossible just 5 years ago. Companies are using machine learning to design new proteins, predict molecular interactions, and identify potential treatment for diseases that have puzzled researchers for generations. DeepMind's AlphaFold solved protein folding, a problem that stumped scientists for 50 years. Startups are using AI to design custom medication tailored to individual genetic profiles. Researchers are creating new materials and chemicals by describing what they want into AI systems, similar to how we are now building software with natural language. This creates unprecedented opportunities for people who understand both life sciences and AI collaboration. Imagine being a nutritionist who can design personalized supplement formulations using AI, or a fitness trainer who develops custom workout programs based on genetic markers and real-time health data. In my coaching practice, I work with numerous tech professionals who feel compelled to make a more profound impact on human health and consciousness. This biology AI intersection represents exactly the kind of meaningful work that can fulfill both your analytical mind and your desire for purpose. Now, I know what you are thinking. This sounds amazing, but how do I make this transition? How do I bridge my technical skills with the emerging opportunities? That's exactly why I created a comprehensive guide that breaks down the specific steps. I will share how to get it at the end of this video. The skills that create real value reveal themselves when we look beyond the technical noise. If you've been worried about technology making you irrelevant, the answer might surprise you. 3 core competencies will define success in 2025 and beyond. 1 is domain expertise. Domain expertise means understanding your field so deeply that you can spot opportunities and problems that others miss. This isn't just nice to have knowledge. Is the foundation of every successful AI-powered business. A real estate agent who knows logical market trends can use AI to analyze property data and predict investment opportunities. A fitness instructor who understands human physiology can create AI-powered workout plans that adapt based on client progress. Your deep knowledge becomes the foundation that AI builds upon. And here's the key insight. AI can write code, but it can't understand the nuanced needs of your customers or the specific challenges in your industry. As someone who transitioned from cloud architecture to consciousness coaching, my technical background didn't become irrelevant. It became the foundation for everything I built afterward. The systems thinking, problem-solving approach, and the ability to see patterns amplified my impact in ways I never expected. Research shows that 90% of tasks will require prompt engineering expertise. But this isn't about learning specific software. It's about developing the ability to communicate clearly and think systematically about problems. Prompt engineering sounds technical, but it's really about expressing your ideas in ways that AI can understand and act upon them. Think about what happens when you work with a human assistant. You don't just back orders. You provide context, explain the desired outcome, and guide them through the process. Working with AI requires the same approach. The better you can articulate what you want and why, the better results you get. These skills amplify everything else you bring to your work. In my coaching practice, I've seen developers who mastered this collaboration become incredibly valuable to their organizations. They become the bridge between business needs and AI capabilities, a role that is becoming essential in every industry. Number 3, systems thinking from computer science. The third competency draws from computer science's enduring value, the problem-solving thinking that remains essential even as technology advances. AI excels at processing information and following instructions. It can't replace your ability to see patterns, understand context, and make judgment calls based on incomplete information. These thinking skills become more valuable when paired with AI's computational power. This connects directly to entrepreneurial success. AI doesn't replace good business instincts. It amplifies them. If you understand your customers' pain points and can envision solutions that address their real needs, AI becomes a powerful partner in bringing those solutions to life. The combination of human insight and artificial intelligence creates value that neither could achieve on its own. This is where the magic happens for conscious entrepreneurs. The window of opportunity is open right now, but it won't stay that way forever. While most people are still debating whether AI will replace jobs, early adopters are already building careers and businesses that position them as leaders in this new landscape. So here's your roadmap. Step 1. Start experimenting today. Pick one AI tool and commit to using it for the next 30 days. Start with something accessible, such as ChatGTP, Claude, or Perplexity. Don't worry about mastering it immediately. Focus on learning how to communicate effectively with AI. Practice asking specific questions, providing context, and refining your prompts based on the responses you get. This daily practice builds the collaboration skills that will serve you for years to come. Step 2, identify your unique domain expertise. What you already know better than most people. You have experience in customer service, fitness training, or small business operations. You may have insights into parenting, cooking, or creative writing. Your existing knowledge isn't just valuable. It's the foundation of your AI-powered future. Write down 3 areas where you have real expertise and consider how AI could amplify your impact in those fields. Step 3, run small experiments. Choose one problem in your area of expertise and try solving it with AI assistance. If you're a developer who understands e-commerce, experiment with AI-powered customer service. If you are passionate about health and wellness, explore how AI can help you develop better programs or track progress more effectively. The key is starting small while thinking big. You don't need to build the next ChatGTP. You need to understand how AI works as your collaborative partner. Step 4, find your community. Learning happens faster when you are a part of a supportive community. NVIDIA Developers Forum offers practical discussions and real-world examples. Connect with people who are asking similar questions and facing similar challenges. The developers who thrive in this transition are those who embrace the learning mindset. They are not trying to protect their old skills. They are excited to expand their capabilities. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What is the one area where you have deep expertise that could benefit from AI collaboration? Share it in the comment below. I read every single one and often feature the best insights in future videos. Now here's where I want to get real with you for a moment. If you are watching this video, you are not interested in the technical aspect of AI. You are probably feeling that pull towards something more meaningful. That sense that you are meant for more than just writing code. I've worked with hundreds of developers and engineers who share this exact feeling. They want to build something that matters, not just optimize someone else's metrics. This is where Jensen's vision becomes truly powerful. When technology becomes more accessible and human-centered, it creates space for the kind of work that feeds both your mind and your soul. The intersection of consciousness and technology isn't just possible, It's inevitable. As AI handles more of the routine technical work, human creativity, intuition, and wisdom become the differentiating factors. In my own journey from DevOps to consciousness coaching, I discovered that my technical background wasn't something to leave behind. It was the foundation that made my spiritual work more grounded and practical. The systems thinking, the problem solving approach, and the ability to break down complex challenges into manageable steps. These skills make me a better coach and mentor. The same principles applies to AI collaboration. Your technical mindset provides a unique advantage in understanding how to work effectively with these systems. You can see the possibilities that others miss while avoiding the pitfalls that trap less experienced users. This isn't about choosing between logic and intuition. It's about integrating them in ways that create something more powerful than either could achieve on their own. So to wrap up this video, Jensen's vision isn't about replacing human intelligence. It's about amplifying it in ways that honor both your analytical mind and your intuitive wisdom. Both he and Sam Altman agree that creativity remains the last skill affected by AI, which underscores why your human perspective matters more than ever. The future doesn't belong to the people who fear AI or those who worship it. It belongs to people who see it as a partner in creating the meaningful, purpose-driven life and businesses they've always wanted. Your unique perspective, creativity, and domain expertise become more valuable when paired with AI's capabilities. Remember, domain expertise, AI collaboration, and systems thinking, these become your superpowers in 2025 and beyond. Now, if you are ready to take action on everything we've discussed today, I have created something special for you. It's called the Conscious Developers AI Transition Blueprint, a comprehensive guide that walks you through the exact steps to leverage your technical background for entrepreneurial success in the AI era. This blueprint includes a detailed to identify your unique domain expertise, a step-by-step prompt engineering template for your specified field, a 90-day action plan to build your first AI-powered business concept, and much more. You can download it completely free using the link in the description below. And if you are feeling that pull towards something more meaningful, but you are stuck in overthinking mode, paralyzed by fear about making the wrong move, I want to offer you something else. I am offering a limited number of 1-hour gifted coaching sessions where we will work together to bridge your spiritual awakening with practical business success. We will create a structured, logical approach that honors both your analytical mind and your deeper calling. If you are ready to move beyond the fear and into an aligned action, book your session using the link in the description below. These sessions are completely complimentary, my gift to the conscious developer community. Finally, if this video provided value to you, I would be grateful if you could hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share with your developer friends who might be feeling the same pull toward more meaningful work. The YouTube algorithm shows these videos to more people when they see engagement, which means more conscious creators get to discover this perspective. Remember, you are not just a coder. You are a conscious creator with the power to build technology that serves humanity's highest good. The world needs what you have to offer, especially when it's amplified by AI. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.